So the next step, so sabi natin kanina, we've created a CGFNS account, napunta tayo sa dashboard, nagawa tayo ng service selector, my profile. Ngayon, magbabayad na tayo sa CGFNS Apply and Pay. Question ko pala, paano yun? Kunyari, wala pa akong OET. Pwede ba na kahit hindi ko completed yung profile page ko, magbabayad na ako? Pwede ba yun?
Kung kahit na wala ka pang OET or wala ka pang English language test, pwede ka mag-proceed sa payment.
Bayad agad, okay.
Oo, okay lang. Pwede. Basta complete na yung profile mo. Basta mag-green na lahat, mag-tick na lahat yung sa requirements nung okay na yun.
Hi everyone, just a quick disclaimer. We created this video based on our experience in the hope that it will help a fellow nurse. But please always make sure to refer to CGFNS and Nursing Council website for the latest information. As always, our experiences will be different and that's okay. If you are looking for the full video in Tagalog, I will write the link below with the important timestamp. Hope this helps. Agad, okay.
Oo, okay lang. Pwede. Basta complete na yung profile mo. Basta mag-green na lahat, mag-tick na lahat yung sa requirements nung okay na yun sa
So
CGFNS.
I still have to complete information for my identity, education, employment. Kailangan ko pa rin yung i-provide.
Yes.
Okay.
Hindi ka makaka-proceed sa payment if hindi completed yung mga yun.
Okay, so
Yes.
when you click that apply and pay, and it will go through the payment page here at the bottom. It says applications available for purchase. That's the CVS, NCNZ, and then you tick this box, and then there's also another button there which says proceed to payment. You just click that one, and then syempre pa, credit card page na.
Bayad.
Yes. Uy, may nagtanong sa akin about credit cards na parang peso yung nasa credit card nila. Okay lang naman yun, di ba?
Si bank na yung mag-convert if ever.
Baka may dagdag lang ng konting mga fees. And then tama ba yun? After you pay, you will receive an email na sabi you have successfully applied and paid for your orders. Tapos there's instruction on how to complete the forms.
Yes.
Okay. So you can see the forms sa dito tayo sa forms ng identity, education, license, and employment. You will see the forms dito sa kabila. You will see the forms on the application status tracker. Ganito yung itsura niya if you're viewing it from a desktop. And otherwise, if you're viewing it from a mobile phone, ganito yung kanyang itsura. So nakalagay dyan, may mga forms, may mga documents na kailangan, identity, tatlo pala to. Kasi meron siyang passport, driver's license, at saka marriage certificate. So kung ano yung fill up mo sa profile page, parang nag-pre-filled na lang siya dito. Tama ba yun?
Yes. Lalabas na siya dyan, sila na magbibigay.
Kailangan to i-notarize, di ba?
Yes, ipapa-notarize yung form, yung may form din kasi si CGFNS. Papa-fill up mo yun dun sa nagnonotaryo. And then, I personally added din yung ID, tapos may parang certified true copy, something ganun.
Okay. So once na naka-true copy na yun, upload lang here. I will go back, a slide back, just to show you kung ano yung mga forms na sinubmit. So again, just recapping first. Nag-create ng account, kinomplete si profile, nagbayad, and now nakatanggap ka ng email to submit the forms to CGFNS. You can access this to your application tracker status. Merong identity, education, license, and then employment. So each of these forms actually have different sections. Yung part A ng lahat ng forms na ito will have information about personal information. And then part B, laman lang nun kung ano man yung title ng topic nung pinapa-fill up sa inyo, kung for education, kung for registration, and kung for employment. And then part C is the identification of official. Ito yung kunyari, di ba pag education, kung sa school, sino ba nag-verify niyan?
Ako sa experience ko, registrar at saka yung Institute of Nursing, parang nag-exchange sila eh. Parang si registrar muna and then sinubmit niya yung ibang forms kay Institute of Nursing and then binalik niya kay registrar, gano'n. So kaya medyo mahaba-habang proseso.
Yeah, and I have actually purposely not included it in this video kasi parang nobela na ito. So sa next time, kapag may day off ulit sa Nurse Ruru, pag-usapan natin yung mga forms specifically. So anyway, we're just going to go through the overview of the forms para lang may idea tayo. So ito yung mga sample-sample na sinabi ko kanina. Okay, so I'm just going to go back and see if meron pa. Marami akong nalimutan, I feel. But anyway, we'll just go through it isa-isa. So, sa education, nasabi mo na kung sino mag-verify, license and registration, PRC yan. Tapos sa employment, anong kailangan rank ng person na nagko-complete ng information na to? Kailangan ba yung may-ari ng hospital? Ano ba to?
Di naman. Actually, may mga nag-share sa group na parang ang nag-sign for them was yung parang mas senior na nurse, charge nurse, head nurse, supervisor, not necessarily HR. Pero syempre, HR okay naman.
Preference, yeah.
Kumbaga, basta anyone who's authorized na, kumbaga siguro mas superior sa'yo, mas alam kung ano yung, alam mo yun. So, feeling ko okay naman. Tapos parang commonly din, tinatanong nila yung about the seal, yung, di ba parang sa last page kasi parang nakalagay na, ilalagay doon yung official stamp or seal.
Yep.
Kung mababasa nila yung form, ang nakalagay naman is, I think, nakalagay doon is if available naman. So, parang hindi siya totally necessary na may stamp. Basta ang mahalaga is may signature nung nag-fill up ng form and may date. Yun.
If you are enjoying this video, please hit subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will know when I upload new videos just like this one.
Hey! I have more Tagalog videos with English subtitles focusing on CGFNS and NZRN application. Most of my NZRN how-to videos are in English, but if you found a video that you really love, say for example, my interviews with Filipino nurses who are already living in New Zealand, if it doesn't have an English subtitle, just leave a comment on that video and please be nice. If you ask politely, then I will try my best to eventually add an English subtitle on that video. Manually adding English subtitles on Tagalog videos, it's really time consuming. So I hope you continue to support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video.
Mommy, look at this.
I know.
Yung pinaka-importante. Pero sa case ni employment lang yung pwede na walang stamp, okay lang. Siguro bawi na lang dun sa envelope na kumbaga enclosed nun, magsiseal na lang ng siguro yung signature dun sa envelope or something na parang official talaga siya.
True. Because di ba dapat organization to CGFNS, di ba? You can't actually send this as an individual, no? Yeah. May encounter ka ba na parang applicant na siya ang nag-send sa CGFNS?
Meron din naman, pero minake sure niya na ang sender, ang nakalagay was yung hospital.
Organization. Oo.
Yes, yung
may seal. Siguro, sinasabi nila na may seal yung envelope, parang ganyan, no? Kung ikaw magpapadala. Para mukhang formal din na yun nga. Definitely na galing sa organization, not just you. If you guys are looking at this slide, I hope you're not confused. I feel like you will be. I created this slide in a hurry. But just know that these forms, itong education, may sarili siyang part A, part B, and part C. And then the same thing for license registration, may sarili siyang part A, part B, part C. Employment, ganun din, part A, part B, part C, ha? Tapos sa education, ito yung medyo madugo ng konti because you have to provide, yung school mo has to provide syllabus, ganyan. Meron ka bang na-encounter na difficulty sa school mo na parang, ano ba naman to? Ba't ang dami nito?
Oo. Meron naman, I think, ako swerte ko na lang din was, if you knew about dun sa process and ano yung requirements, pag sinabi mo na yung application is for the CGFNS Nursing Council of New Zealand. Alam na nila kung ano yung mga requirements, alam na nila yung submit. So madali na. Ang nag-share was yung sa mga ibang school na parang siguro yung hindi common sa kanila yung yung encounter na to. Parang sinasabi na cannot submit yung syllabus, ganyan, or meron sa form, I think sa education form, I think on the second page or third page, parang meron doon na parang if you cannot provide yung parang syllabus, parang please state the reason why. Parang so pwedeng maglagay naman ng reason yung school doon.
Tama.
Kung bakit hindi sila makapag-provide.
Mhm.
Makikita naman nila sa form yun eh. So, yun. Tapos, ano pa ba yung meron ding mga school na hindi ayaw nila signan yung form ng CGFNS.
Mm.
Siguro hindi sila komportable kasi hindi nga common for them.
Mm.
Siguro ang gawin nilang yung applicant is mag-create siya ng ticket. Yun sa support. Yun.
Mag-create ng parang mag-raise ng question sa CGFNS.
Oh. Kasi para malaman nila kung ano yung pwedeng ibigay na options ni CGFNS for them since hindi supportive or hindi cooperative yung school nila. Ganun.
Totoo. Tapos magkano binayad mo dun? Nagbayad ka ba sa FEU for them to complete this form and then send it to CGFNS? Magkano yan?
Nung time ko, parang nasa around 9,000 yung inabot. Kasi,
Pesos?
Kasi yung sa courier fee was like 5,000 na alone. Kasi yung syllabus was like this thick, ganyan, parang makapal siya, ganyan. Tapos parang, ako ay, swerte ko din ay na-meet ko yung, not na-meet, pero kumbaga nagpatulong ako dun sa Kabayan Errand Runner, parang an agency sa Pilipinas. Since hindi na ako willing to risk any one of my friends or family para mag-ayos sa akin.
License registration, magkano ang bayad sa PRC? Alam na rin ba nila agad how to complete this as well?
Yes, familiar sila. Parang you need to pagdating mo lang sa PRC, I think may fill up ka yung statement verification form ng PRC. And then ipapasa mo lang din yung CGFNS form. I think all in all ang babayaran mo was like 75 pesos. If I'm not mistaken, may binayaran 200, hindi ko maalala kung ano yun. Basta parang 75 at saka 200. Tapos, syempre, yung courier fee. Pipili ka between FedEx or DHL. I think mas expensive si DHL. Parang nasa 2,000 plus, if I'm not mistaken, parang ganun. So, yun. Sila na rin ang magsasubmit. Parang sa akin, it took them like 10 days.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's not bad. Tapos sa employer mo, may binayaran ka din doon for them to complete
Wala naman na. Courier na lang. Courier fee na lang.
Okay. Paano mo pala binigay itong mga forms na to sa kanila?
Ayun. Actually, so parang nag-risk lang ako na ang ginawa ko is nag-e-signature ako dun sa first page kasi parang you're required to sign yung first page.
Totoo. Yan.
Yan. So I signed it. E-signature pa yun. So, electronic signature and date, okay naman. Wala akong naging problema. And then, in-email ko, since ako I used yung Kabayan Errand Runner, so sinubmit ko sa kanila lahat and then for the authorization letter and kung ano yung mga requirements ni Kabayan Errand Runner para ma-process niya for me. Sa employer ko, parang in-input ko sa email para hindi na siya mahirapan kasi it might take time din kasi pagka nag-struggle siya dun sa form. So parang medyo tinulungan ko na siya na ito po yung ilalagay niyo sa form, ganito, ganyan. So it was parang helpful for that person. Nakapag-sign, na-sign niya agad, natapos niya. And yung sinubmit niya was typewritten, lahat. So ang wet signature lang, yun lang yung naiba. Yung signature niya, wet signature and yung date. The rest was typewritten. Okay naman, walang problema kay CGFNS.
That's good. Ito pala yung sinabi mo kanina, no? Sa baba niya, ngayon ko lang napansin, parang nakalagay doon, this form is valid for the below person and the authority. So, yun nga na pre-filled talaga siya. So, kunyari, FEU, ilalagay dito, Nurse Ruru and FEU. Tapos, kabila na naman, Nurse Ruru and kung ano man yung employer mo. So, okay.
Talagang para sa'yo siya.
I became a registered nurse here in New Zealand 2012. Nung panahon namin, wala pang pagganto-ganto. I-apply directly to nursing council. Oo, walang mga CGFNS. Pero yun nga, it might appear tedious kasi parang ang dami mong steps that you have to go through. But just bear in mind, guys, if being a nurse in New Zealand is really something that you want to do, I say you commit on these steps kasi if naiisip nyo ngayon na parang mahal mag-CAP, mahirap yung proseso, may imamahal pa ang CAP at may ihihirap pa ang proseso. Kasi nung time ko, when I applied, feeling ko ang mahal na ng CAP, I think it was $5,000 for the CAP. 6 weeks. Sabi ko, mahal naman nito. Parang pwede na ako magpa-lipo. Tapos, ang hirap ng process kasi mag-fill up pa ako ng mga kung anik-anik na isi-send directly sa nursing council. But, 9 years later, we have the CGFNS CAP course cost mga $8,000 to $11,000. And, you can never tell. Baka in 3-5 years time, baka may pa-OSCE na dito, baka may NCLEX ng kasama. Because Australia has that. And, it's kind of likely that New Zealand will follow suit, di ba? Hindi natin ma-predict yan. So, yun.
Speaking of changes with the NZRN application, change is coming. So if you haven't seen my video about the proposed changes, then please do check it out. I will write the link to the info card above.
Kung kaya nyo gawin ngayon, do it now.
Oo, kasi learn from my experience before na yun nga, sabi ko, akala ko mahal na, may mamahal pa. So, frequently asked questions about completing those forms. Meron nagtanong sa akin before, kung paano kung yung employer mo ayaw mag-fill up ng form.